Now that you have subscribed, let's get started. Today we will be solving the problem lucky number. So this is from the SnackDown Qualifiers round 2021. It's a cakewalk problem, and let's see the problem statement. So the problem statement here says that chef buys a lottery ticket which has a 3-digit code, and he thinks that 7 number is supposed to bring him good luck. So if this 7 number will be present in the 3-digit code, in that case he will win the lottery. So we have to find out whether this digit 7 is there in the 3-digit code of the lottery or not, and these 3 digits are given to us separately in the form of A, B and C. So A, B and C are the 3 digits of the lottery code, and we will have to check whether any of these, that is either A, B or C, if any of these is 7, in that case the chef will win, otherwise the chef will not win. So this is how, the statement is pretty straightforward, and the solution itself you can just make out from the problem statement. So all we have to do is check whether A is 7 or B is 7 or C is 7. So if any one of this is 7 out of the 3-digit lottery code, in that case the chef will win the lottery, else the chef will not win the lottery. So that's it guys, this is the problem. Now let's see the input, output and constraints. So in the input, output and constraints, the first line is the number of test cases. So suppose you're given one test case, then you will be given for each test case you will be given 3 space separated integers A, B and C. So suppose you're given 6, 7 and 8. So this is A, this is B and this is C. Similarly, in separate lines you will be given if you have more than one test cases, then in different lines you will be given these 3 kind of numbers. After that, in output you have to print yes in case the chef will win the lottery. So you can print yes in any format. As you can see, it's given here that any format that is using uppercase letters or lowercase letters will work. And similarly, if the chef cannot win lottery, then you'll print no. Now the constraints here are not very large, so it can go up to only 1000 maximum test cases, and ABC is between 0 to 9. So it's only just an if condition that we'll be using here. So it will be order of 1 time complexity. So simple, it using the code, doing the code in any of the programming language will work. Now let us see the code in Python, and we'll see the code in C++. So guys, that's the code that you'll be needing in Python. Here what I've done, first I've taken the input for t number of test cases, then inside a for loop that is for, so that we can take the input for each of the test cases and print the output for that. So that's why we have a for loop running from 0, t, that is the number of test cases. After that we have taken input for A, B and C, and then we are just checking with an if condition whether A is 7 or B is 7 or C is 7. And this is important here, we have to use or, because if we use and, it would mean that all of these numbers, that is A, B and C, all of the 3 digits have to be 7 in order for the condition to be true. That is why we are supposed to use or here, because we need only one of them to be true. So if any one of them is true, then the chef can win the lottery. So that is why I have printed yes. Otherwise, in the else part, we'll just straight away print no. So that's it. And now if we submit this code, then we will get an accepted answer. So this was the code in Python. After this, we will also be doing the code in C++. Yeah, so we got the accepted answer. Now let us see the code in C++. So guys, I have already typed the input part in C++ code, and now we are just going to type the if condition, that is the main part of the code. So what will be the if condition? Like that if A is equal to 7, or, so in C++ we use the symbol for or operator, then we'll type B is equal to 7 or C is equal to 7. So in all these 3 cases, means if any one of them is 7, in that case we are supposed to print yes. that means the chef has won the lottery. So let's print yes, and we'll also put a backslash n because we want all the answers to be in separate lines for each of the test case. Then we'll go to the else part and we will print no, because in the else part it is for sure that that chef has not won the lottery. So let's put a backslash n, and that's it. Our code is ready. Now let us just submit the code and see if we are getting the correct answer or not. So guys, I hope that your snack down went well and all the other rounds are also going to go well. So keep practicing, and we have got the accepted answer. If you have any doubts, then please post them in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get all the updates. And if you've understood it, then please do like the video.